Hey guys, today I'm pranking my brother. He thinks I'm making a YouTube video, but wait. He thinks I'm making a short, but I'm actually making a video. Guys, go check out the link below, like and subscribe to this video. Today, my brother did the wrong prank. Look at full part in the comments right here. Right there, yeah. Right there. I just got a message from my girlfriend, guys. I'm 14. I got a girlfriend. Okay. What should we do now? I don't know why my case just opened so weirdly. I'm gonna put it back. My charger is in here. It's fully charged, but I don't want to use it. Okay. Guys, I bought it for my birthday. My mom bought it for my birthday, guys. Okay. Look, if the battery goes down, I do have a light. It's no cables used. It's just light. I got my own room, guys.